Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 15th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Your person has the Queen of Pentacles, the Magician card, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have Two of Swords. It means that either you or your person could be, taking care of two situations. So you may be juggling between two situations, and that's causing a lot of rift and confusion between the two of you. Now, from the first set of rows, what I see is you have the 10 of Pentacles, which means that you're financially doing very well. All the things in your life are in place. You have a good life. Your family life is also good. You have good friends around you. So that's a very nice card where everything is in place and life is looking very nice. Okay, all the good things of life are with you and you enjoy life. Okay, but there could be a situation, maybe it's a recent situation that has happened wherein you need to rush in. Okay, with this Knight of Swords energy, you will rush in because you want to have some kind of a conversation with your person. Once you have that conversation, you will move to the Knight of Swords in the Knight of Pentacles energy, wherein you will walk very slow towards this person. So it could be that there could be something that this person may have done. Okay, wherein you will confront them, and once you get to know what has happened, post that you will take very small steps in this relationship. So your person will feel as if you're not interested anymore, or that you are not taking any efforts towards this relationship. Now your person B, okay, the first card for them is the Queen of Pentacles. So this also shows that your person is doing equally good for themselves. Their finances are in place. They enjoy all the luxuries of life, and that's something that attracts a lot of people in and around them, because people want to be close to people who are wealthy. That's unfortunately the harsh reality of life. So you will see a lot of people around your person because your person is doing really well for themselves. Now the other thing that I see here is this person also has the Magician energy. Now the Magician energy is a major arcana, which means that this person has the power to command all the four elements of this planet to go ahead and make things happen for themselves. Now at times, okay, for few of you, when a person is in the Magician energy, they also go ahead and do a little bit of trickery. So just be a little careful and see what your person is doing. Now the other card that I see for your person is the King of Cups. With the King of Cups, this person has emotions for you, but the only challenge with the King of Cups energy is that they don't have the same love language, which means that they can't express in the same way that you do. Maybe you love to express, you want to go ahead and express your emotions, but this person on the other hand feels things for you, but they are not able to express it to you. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the Five of Swords, the Devil card, and the Ace of Wands. With the Five of Swords, this person is willing to fight. Okay, if you see, this person is still holding on to the sword, so which means that they are willing to fight for this relationship, even if you may have lost all faith, or if people in and around you are trying to go ahead and break this relationship, they will still fight for this relationship. So there could be some negative energy around you or your person, and they are going to take care of it because they'll fight through that negative energy, whatever that negative energy could be. And once that is done, they will go ahead and start again with this Ace of Wands. At the start, it will be a little bit inclined towards passion, because that is what I see here. However, eventually there is every possibility that this person will have emotional feelings for you as well. Now with this, let's go ahead and quickly take one card which shows what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is celestial quartz. The crystal message is, are you ready to release blocks for yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize that your own healing helps heal many people on a planetary level? Allow these celestial messages to guide you to be a true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are a messenger of light and well-being. Now there is a message here from Archangel Sandalphon, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. With this, let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for you. So Spirit, help me with one card here. Please help me with one card. Help me with one card, please. Alright, so the message that I see for you is bring love into the situation. So what this card is saying is that maybe both of you are too materialistic, you focus on material things, and somewhere in the back, you have left emotions, okay? So you need to bring emotions into picture. You need to understand that yes, money is important, but money is not everything also in life, especially when it comes to relationships. You can't buy love, right? So you will have to bring love into this current situation. Maybe that is the reason why this rift and this situation has happened in the first place. So that's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.